G'day, Jayden King here, Sales Manager for Harcourts Whangarei. We've just had the latest stats come out from Ryan's New Zealand for February 2025. There's some interesting reading there. For Whangarei, we have had a medium price of $740,000, which is a slight increase on January 2025. Sale count, that has increased, that's gone up to 106 sales for the month. A good increase on what it was for January, to be expected with the Christmas holidays and things.
Yep.
But yeah, overall, everything's looking quite positive. I do note that our days to sell is a little bit higher than what the national average is. Talking to mortgage brokers and things around town, I think that we're actually in a good place, and I think the market's looking pretty positive moving forward. What's your thoughts, Paul?
Yeah, I think it was a pretty typical February. January was low, but the numbers picked up. The other thing that's happened is that probably more listings in the system now than we've seen for a year or two. So a lot more stock, a lot more choice. That's 70 days to sell. That's up a reasonable amount on the previous month. I think that just probably a reflection of the fact that buyers have got more choice and they're not under pressure to buy, so they're just taking a little bit more time to make the decision. But all in all, it's been a pretty good market. I had a meeting, a Zoom meeting yesterday with a few of the owners of businesses right around the country yesterday, and everybody's talking about the same thing. A lot more stock, a lot of first-time buyers in the market, and definitely the investors are back in the market as well. So good signs. Yeah, and the auction clearances are looking stronger. There's a lot of auctions done in February and a lot done in the first couple of weeks of March around the city. And although not huge numbers under the hammer, there's a lot being sold sort of even prior to auction or within sort of 3 or 4 days after the auction day. So, yeah.
Sounds good. All right, so that's a wrap for the March monthly updates. And hope to see you all again next month.